How to fix iPhone unable to check for update after updating to iOS 17. Hey there! Here's a quick and easy guide on how to solve the unable to check for update on your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Troubleshoot your internet. Try to open the YouTube app or visit any website you wish and check whether your internet is working or not. If not, then enable airplane mode. Then wait for 20 seconds. Or switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Now, check your issue. If you still have the issue, then try the following process. Solution 2. Try to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches. After restarting, check if your problem is solved or not. And then try the next solution. Solution 2. Try to reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset. Then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network settings. Make sure by resetting network settings, your phone network settings will be set to default, so you should remember your password as well. After that, if you still have the issue, then try our next solution. Solution 3. Check your iPhone's storage space. Make sure that you have enough free space on your iPhone. Otherwise, free up some storage by deleting any unused apps that you might have. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. From there, you can delete your unused apps. After that, simply restart your phone and check whether your problem is fixed or not. So, this is how you can solve your iPhone's unable to check for updates problem. But if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.